much research going on in cancer, but very little is emphasized toward the naturopathic approaches toward the cancer.
At the clinic, we see all type of patients. Recently, in last few years, we are seeing more patients with the cancer.
We do a lot of detoxification Panchakarma program in our clinic. We give IV therapies with vitamin C, artemisinin, curcumin after the thorough examination of a patient and their body types, which is a very innate to Ayurvedic medicine. We also look at their imbalances, which we call Vikruti in Ayurvedic medicine. And then we try to make a program for them to create a balance in their health. When the body is in balance, it naturally heals. Doctors don't heal. The body heals itself. Every one of us has that healing mechanism inside us. We do specialized massages, which are called abhyangas. This is done with specialized oils. And these oils, they actually penetrate the body, bind onto the toxic load, and when we put them in a far infrared sauna, you lose the toxic load. When you're sitting in a sauna, your body temperature raises up, and that increases your white cell count. So also the cancer cells dies because of the heat, but also the white cell get more triggered, and that also has a anti-cancer properties. Another treatment which we do is called Shirodhara. Shiro means head, dhara means to pour the oil on the head. The lion's mane, which is a mushroom, has shown to cut down the side effects of chemotherapy. When it comes to oncology, the standard of care right now, which is available, as you know, the chemotherapy, radiation, has lots of side effects. And if you start to see the long-term outcome are not the best, and especially for stage 3 and stage 4 cancer. Less than 2% people survive. One of the worst thing with this chemotherapy and radiation comes up is lots of side effects. And people feel so fatigued, they lose their hair, their energies, the colors are looking very bad. Whereas with integrative oncology, you see these people they are very cheerful, they don't lose their hair, they're feeling pretty good. And even if they're doing chemotherapy and radiation, still the side effects are so bare minimum that they can go on. I'm very glad to report that a lot of people in our clinic which has gone through this treatment are in remission, even with metastatic colon cancer or breast cancer patients.
The practices of yoga infuse the body with an abundance of life force energy called prana. And when there's an abundance of prana and open channels from the asanas and from the meditation practices where the flow happens, their health is a natural outcome. The mindfulness piece, the meditation piece of yoga supports a person in keeping a peaceful countenance and a calm mind in the midst of the stress of treating for cancer. So it's a tremendous practice to foster not only strength, balance, flexibility, resiliency, but this quality of a peaceful mind. Can take down the stress response, reduce the stress hormones, and facilitate a greater improvement of the immune system, which we are finding is an integral part of the treatment of cancer. So please consider donating to our crowdfunding campaign and support the great efforts.
Bastyr University is doing a fundraising program to help fight against the cancer and to help raise the fund for the Integrative Oncology Research and Care Department.
We will be putting some money toward this, and I'm hoping that we can raise at least $10,000.
Research funds can go a long way because then the FDA can approve the treatment which we're doing, and then we can get the insurance reimbursement. And that is, I think, very, very important because a lot of people who come to my clinic, they want to get the treatments done, but they have to chill it out from their own pockets. And we have to do a lot of things to prevent these things to happen, and which is maybe a complete mindset change. We have to look at the environment, our food, our thought process, stress reduction to help fight this dreaded disease.